In this video, I'll show you how to check who is using your Wi-Fi network. So if you've noticed that your internet is running slower than usual, it could be because someone is using your Wi-Fi without your permission. Not only will this slow down your internet, it could also be a big security concern. Luckily, there is one simple way that we can check to see who's connected to our Wi-Fi, which is going to keep our network safe. So in order to do this, you just need to head over to your mobile device, and from the home screen, you need to head over to your App Store. Now, it doesn't matter if you're on an iPhone or an Android, the steps are going to be exactly the same. Once you're inside of the App Store, head over to the search box and type in the word Fing. That's F-I-N-G, and click search. And right at the top, you'll see this Fing Network Scanner. Now, this is a completely free app that we can download onto our device. So just go ahead and press the download button, and then give that a few seconds to install. Once it's finished installing, we can press the open button, and then you'll need to go through the steps on the screen. So I'm just going to press next, click on agree and continue, click on continue, select allow while using app. Now, you can create an account, but this is optional, so for now, I'm just going to select I'll think about it, click on maybe later, and finally, you'll need to select allow. Then we can press scan current network, and then this will scan your network and list all of the devices that are currently connected to your network. So you can see here that I have my iPhone and also my laptop. These generic ones listed down here aren't too much to worry about, as your iPhone can create loads of copies of these. But if you do notice a device in here that you don't recognize, like a laptop or something like that, then what I'd recommend doing is first selecting the device that you don't recognize. So I'm just going to select this laptop here. And this is going to provide a little bit more information about this device. So if you do have a laptop connected to your Wi-Fi, then you can match up the model number here to check if it's your own. You can also scroll down to manage this device, and we'll have a bunch of different tools here. So you can either remove this device to kick it off of the internet. You can also block this device amongst a bunch of different other options. Now, if you do find devices inside of here that you don't recognize, then in order to keep your network safe, I'd recommend changing the network password. This is one way to keep unauthorized people from accessing your network. You can also take this one step further by heading over to an internet browser. And then from the URL section, just type in 192.168.0.1 and hit enter. This should take you to your router's login page. If it doesn't work, then you can try changing the number to 192.168.1.1 instead of the 0. And then what you need to do is you'll need to log into your Wi-Fi router from this page. Now, if you're not sure what the password is, this will be located on the back of your router, and it's different from your Wi-Fi password. So once you're logged into here, you'll be able to change all of your settings like your passwords, and you'll also be able to see your connected devices from here. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.